Good morning, students. I'm Pragati, your social science teacher, and today I have brought a topic for you that is tropical evergreen forest and tropical monsoon forest. With this video, I have also brought an animated video for you through which you can understand the forest very well and you will be able to answer it more effectively. So, before going on, I would like you to understand tropical evergreen forest. This forest is forest which is closer to equator. It is well it is been closed due to closing of closer to the equator. It has a high temperature and excessive rainfall, which keep it all completely hot, remains hot and wet all over the year. Okay, here the most important trees are Sincano, rubber, abbey, rosewood, and they are commonly found in this area. This forest location is in Amazon basin and South America, and the main area of these forests are been also found in Malaysia, with Southeast Asia, and also at the part of Philippines, Zaire basins in Africa as well. So in this Amazon basins, the forest is also known as selvas. Okay, so this is something which is about tropical. It is being known as tropical evergreen forest because it lie near to equator, which thing we need to understand in this. Okay, as we move away from the equator, the seasonal and the temperature changes as tropical monsoon forest. This is the forest which is really been known for the monsoon type and the climatic condition, but the season is dry and wet spells, which means that the area is been completely dry, but due to the rainfall or due to the during the monsoon season there is a heavy rainfall that is being also for that the region is been remaining wet. These forests are mainly located in the Indian subcontinents, Eastern Africa and Sri Lanka, Northeast Australia, and also found in Southeast USA. These area is been having the particular kind of trees which are have their commercial values, and the varieties of these are mainly sandalwood, sal, bamboo and teak. Okay, so these two forests are very important forests which give maximum kind of production which is being used for the commercial use. Now, moving on evergreen forest. With the name, we can understand that these forests remain green for complete year. Here, the temperature is also a warm temperature, and it lies in the region of southeast Brazil and the tropical southern Japan and southern China. The path of southeast USA and the southeast Australian trees. I would also like to explain you that the major which we've been seeing is walnut, pine, oak and mulberry are the major types of trees or the productions being getting it from the evergreen forest. So this is something which we need to understand. Coming on the Mediterranean forest, if this is the forest area where there is hot dry summer and warm wet winter. It has been created by the Mediterranean Sea. These forests are very dense and medium height and evergreen. So therefore it has been found in the location of Italy, Spain, Israel or South France, Turkey, Central Chile, California in the USA and southwestern Australia. The important trees which we get here is orange, pine, olive, oak. The citrus food is the orange, lemon and grapefruit have been also found in this area, that is Mediterranean forest. Okay, with this only I have brought a video for you through which you can understand very well about the tropical forest. So go through the video and mark the important points in your book. Thank you, and please proceed. Important
started. There are mainly 6 types of forest. The first is tropical evergreen forest. These forests are also known as tropical rainforest. These thick forests occur in regions near the equator and close to the tropics. These regions are hot and receive heavy rainfall throughout the year. As there is no particular dry season, the trees do not shed their leaf altogether. This is the reason they are called evergreen. The thick canopies of the closely spaced trees do not allow sunlight to enter inside the forest even in the daytime. Hardwood trees like rosewood, ebony, mahogany are mainly found here. Next is tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forests are monsoon forests found in the large part of India, northern Australia and in Central America. These regions experience seasonal changes. Trees shed their leaves in dry season to save water. Hardwood trees found in these regions are sal, teak, neem and shisha. Hardwood trees are extremely useful for making furniture, transport and constructional material. Tiger, lion, elephant, langoor and monkey are common animals of these regions. Next is temperate evergreen forest. The temperate evergreen forests are found in mid-latitudinal coastal region. They are commonly found along the eastern margin of continent, example in southeast USA, South China and in southeast Brazil. They comprises both hard and softwood trees like oak, pine and eucalyptus. Next is temperate deciduous forest. These are found in higher latitude like northeastern part of USA, China, New Zealand, Chile and also found in coastal region of Western Europe. They shed their leaves in dry season. The common trees are oak, ash and beech. Deer, fox and wolves are the animal commonly found. Birds like monal and pleasant are also found here. Next is Mediterranean vegetation. As most of the east and northeast margin of the continent are covered by temperate evergreen and deciduous trees, the west and southwest margin of continent are different. They have Mediterranean vegetation. It is mostly found in the area around the Mediterranean Sea in Europe, Africa and Asia, hence the name. This kind of vegetation is also found outside the actual Mediterranean region in California in the USA, Southwest Africa and southwestern South America and Southwest Australia. These regions are marked for hot dry summers and mild rainy winter. Citrus fruits such as orange, figs, olives and grapes are commonly cultivated here because people have removed the natural vegetation in order to cultivate what they want to. There isn't much wildlife here. Next is coniferous forest. These forests are seen in higher latitude and altitude. These are also called taiga. The tall evergreen softwood trees are grown here. The wood of these trees are very useful for making pulp, which is used for manufacturing paper and newsprint. Matchbox and other packing boxes are also made from softwood. Cheer, pine, cedar are important variety of trees in these forests. Silver fox, mink and polar bear are the common animals found here.